आ रहे हैं कि फिलहाल अभी तक कोई भी फ्लाइट कैंसिल नहीं हुई है। थोड़ी सी देर हो सकती है यात्रियों को, लेकिन फ्लाइट अभी तक कैंसिल नहीं हुई है और जल्द से जल्द एयरलाइंस जो है अपडेट कर रही हैं अपनी फ्लाइट्स को। गुरमुत सर, आपके पास आना चाहूँगी, जानना चाहेंगे, जिस तरह सर बता रहे थे कि क्योंकि पूरी दुनिया में इसका असर पड़ेगा फ्लाइट्स पर, एयरलाइंस पर, कितना समय लग सकता है अपडेट करने में विमानों को, और ये जो देरी है यात्रियों के लिए कितनी बढ़ सकती है, कितना वक्त लग सकता है?
Thanks, Z Business, for taking up so promptly, so active point, which is the hub activity for the aviation at present. Since morning, there have been a lot of panic in the social media, and good that you taken up. Passengers need not to be panicked. First of all, fly by air. Airbus 320 के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है शुरू से ही. And because of that, there is a system called ELAC, which operates on this aircraft. ELAC receives the signals from the pilot side stick and translates them into precise command to move the elevator, achieving the desired pitch attitude, right? So because of that, this malfunction is visible. But एज राइटली सेड दमानिया साहब, कुछ नए एयरक्राफ्ट में जल्दी हो जाएगा, पुराने में थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, बट इन ऑल इट विल नॉट टेक मोर देन 30 मिनट्स per aircraft to install that software update, and it's a very routine activity. Like in mobiles, we keep on getting software updates. The moment the aircraft is parked in a hangar or even is parked on the apron, they can update that software. I do not know, but then it is very easy. And rightly, Davani have said that yes, DGC has issued the notification for that, and which reads that inspection or modification on the following subject is mandatory. Please make necessary amendments in below mentioned models, and they have indicated that. And this is very important that they have done it. And then ELAC on the Airbus are just one of the 7 primary components, so which controls the elevator and aileron. So it is a preventive and precautionary action, and there need not to be any panic. Yes, flight adjustment, schedule adjustment will happen, but airlines are geared up, DGC is geared up, government is geared up, and I personally feel from the side of Air Traveler Association, we are good that we are delivering this message. Over to you.
बिल्कुल दमानिया सर, जैसा गुरमुत सर बता रहे हैं कि ये प्रिवेंटिव है, लेकिन A320 सीरीज में सोलर रेडिएशन की खबर है, इसे कितना गंभीर मानते हैं आप?